purify is to sully as poignant is to... With an analogy question like this one, our first step will be to try and understand the relationship between the given words, in this case, purify and sully. Here we can see that the connection is their opposites. Simply put, to sully means to make dirty, while to purify means to make clean. Our given word, poignant, means to have a strong emotional effect, moving or passionate. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices and see which follows this structure. In other words, which word is poignant's opposite? A. Dirty. Although it's a synonym of sully, dirty and poignant aren't opposites, and this choice can be marked off. B. Piquant. Piquant has two definitions, one meaning spicy and two meaning engaging or interesting. If anything, engaging and moving are closer to synonyms than opposites. This being the case, this choice can be marked off. C. Lively. Again, although they're not all that similar, if anything, lively and moving are more similar than they are opposites. This choice can be marked as incorrect. D. Healthy. Healthy and moving don't really have enough in common to be considered similar or opposite. This choice can be marked off. E. Damaged. Again, this word is just not related to moving or poignant. Something damaged has equal ability to either be poignant or not, so it's not accurate to say they could be opposites. This choice can be marked off. And F. Unmoving. This choice actually has our synonym, moving, with the prefix un, meaning not, which makes unmoving literally mean not moving, which, as we're searching for an opposite, is exactly what we're looking for. As this choice is an opposite of the word poignant, choice F can be marked as our final answer.